Hey guys, it's Bye Bye Jamal with another video. So I just finished my oil change and I would like to make another video because I know there's a lot of people that are struggling with the launch control in 2018 ZL1. So I'll try to make it as quick as possible for you guys. Let me just flip the camera and I'm gonna explain to you how to launch 2018 ZL1 or any ZL1, to be honest. So yeah. Hey guys, I'll make it as fast as possible for you. So the thing you want to do is go to track with this. So as you can see, we are in track right now for transmission. It says launch control disabled. Then we'll double tap traction control. Right, there you go, and you will get these options. With this, you will go to race or any other ones you want. Right, I heard race is the best one. We'll select race. Now we're ready to launch. So mine is at 1700 right now. So watch, it will hold at 1700. My car is in drive, and hold the brake all the way, slamming the gas pedal, and I'm holding at 1700 and I'm ready to launch. I'm not gonna launch because I'm in the garage testing this for you guys. So yeah, but you can have different custom launch controls that you want. I'm gonna release the brake now. Any different launch controls you want. Even you guys have a slip target there as well. You can adjust it. I hope this was a helpful video. Just make sure your brake is all the way down, guys, and you slam the pedal as fast as you can, because if you don't do that, you will do a burnout, which you don't want to do, because you will lose your race or your time will be really shit at the strip. So yeah, guys, any questions, just reach out to me, comments, give me some time, because sometimes I don't respond right away, but I'll try my best to respond as soon as possible. If there's a lot of the same questions, I'll make a YouTube video about it, and then I'll show you what's up, guys. But yeah, hopefully you guys will have a wonderful day and take care.